If you are struggling to get traffic, leads, or sales for your online business, affiliate offers, or email list, then this video is for you. Today, I am sharing a full promotional review of LeadHero.club, a powerful traffic solution designed especially for online marketers who want real clicks, real people, and real opportunities to convert. Let us be honest for a moment. You can have the best website, the best affiliate offer, or even the best sales funnel, but without traffic, nothing happens. No clicks, no leads, no sales. That is where LeadHero.club steps in. So, what is LeadHero.club? LeadHero.club is a paid traffic platform that delivers targeted clicks to your website, landing page, affiliate link, or squeeze page. It is created for marketers who want fast traffic without complicated setups, ads approval stress, or technical headaches. Unlike many traffic sources that send random or low-quality visitors, LeadHero focus is on marketing interested audiences, especially people who are already exploring opportunities like affiliate marketing, make money online, work from home, online business offers. This makes it extremely useful for beginners and experienced marketers alike. Why so many marketers are talking about LeadHero.club? Because traffic is the lifeblood of online success. LeadHero.club promises markable, human clicks, markful, fast delivery, easy setup, markful, no ad account required, ERTful, perfect for list building and offer testing. You do not need Facebook ads. You do not need Google ads. You do not need any technical skills. Just choose a package, add your link, and let LeadHero do the rest. How LeadHero.club works? Simple and beginner-friendly. The process is super simple. You select a traffic package based on your budget. You submit your target URL. LeadHero sends traffic to your page. You track clicks, leads, and results. This makes it perfect if you want to test new offers, grow your email list, or simply see how your funnel performs with real visitors. Who should use LeadHero.club? LeadHero.club is ideal for affiliate marketers, email marketers, funnel builders, product creators, beginners who want traffic fast, experienced marketers testing conversions. If you are tired of waiting for organic traffic or confused by paid ads, this platform can give you instant exposure. That's LeadHero.club. One of the biggest advantages is speed. Traffic starts coming in quickly, which means you can test offers faster, identify winning funnels, improve conversions, build your list consistently. Another major benefit is simplicity. No learning curve, no complex dashboard, just results. Important truth you should know. LeadHero.club provides traffic, not magic. Your results still depend on your offer, your landing page, your follow-up system. But with the right funnel, this traffic can become leads, commissions, and long-term income. Why this is perfect for YouTube viewers. Many people watching this video are searching for how to get traffic fast, best traffic source for affiliate marketing, how to get leads without ads. LeadHero.club directly solves these problems. Final verdict: is LeadHero.club worth it? If you need fast, simple, and beginner-friendly traffic, LeadHero.club is definitely worth trying. It is not meant to replace all your marketing strategies, but it can be a powerful boost to your existing funnel. My honest suggestion: start with a small package, track your results, optimize your page, scale if it works for you. If you want to learn more or see my full honest review, check the links in the description. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you have questions about traffic or affiliate marketing. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.